Hello, everyone. Today, I made a rice burger-like rice burger with bacon, stir-fried kimchi, and eggs for breakfast. I also had stir-fried anchovies to eat together. It's a taste that everyone knows. Look what it looks like. I'm going to cut cabbage kimchi. I'll cut it with scissors. It was cooked very deliciously. When the kimchi is well ripened, it is very delicious to make stir-fried kimchi and eat it. All Koreans have probably tried stir-fried kimchi. Kimchi in Korea is one of the most essential foods. You can eat well with just stir-fried kimchi and rice. Today's menu is always at home, so I can make it anytime. The taste of kimchi is slightly different in each household, so the taste of stir-fried kimchi is also different. If you cut kimchi on a cutting board, it becomes a hassle to clean the cutting board. So, I put it in a bowl and cut it with scissors. I mixed the egg whites and yolks and fried them in a frying pan. I'm going to remove the bacon one by one and grill it. Bacon doesn't come out too salty these days, so I think it's okay to eat. Bacon is delicious even when just grilled. It's a food you can eat anytime, even if it's just with rice and kimchi. I'm going to have a light breakfast this morning. Since it is thin and cooks quickly, you only need to grill it lightly. If you just cut the bacon in half, it's good to wrap it around rice and eat it like seaweed. The method of making stir-fried kimchi is very simple. Just add cooking oil to kimchi and fry it. For seasoning, you can add oyster sauce or tuna liquid. Depending on your taste, you may add red pepper paste. I made new rice in the morning. It says the rice is ready. For seasoning, you can add oyster sauce or tuna liquid. Depending on your taste, you may add red pepper paste. You can add dashi, add sugar, and mix various seasonings into stir-fried kimchi. Since kimchi is delicious, I will only add oligosaccharides. Cooking oil and oligosaccharides are enough to make it taste good. Stir-fried kimchi is delicious when made a little sweet. If you don't have oligosaccharides, you can add sugar. When the soup reduces a little, turn off the heat. I sprinkled sesame seeds on it. I didn't take a video of sprinkling sesame seeds because it was at the back. When it is almost completely fried, you can add a little sesame oil or sesame seeds. If you make the same food in different shapes, my son seems to eat it better. He asked me what was on the menu for breakfast today, and I told him it was stir-fried kimchi, bacon, and egg rice, and he said, I have to eat that. I started the day with a smile today, too. I hope you eat well and go to school well. I think it's okay even if you don't study well. When you grow up, you can do what you like, and I hope you stay healthy and happy. Not everyone who studies well will succeed, but parents still want them to do well if possible. All parents feel the same. I made the eggs round. You can make a round shape by pressing it with a bowl. I'm going to put stir-fried kimchi on top of it. I put bacon on top of kimchi. Now I made one like this and one in a different shape. The amount of food looks small, but since it is a large plate, the amount is quite large. Yesterday, I finally turned on the lights I bought. Have you seen the color of food change? You can adjust the brightness to 3 colors. I said I was going to shoot a video with the lights on, but I forgot to turn them on. The colors come out much brighter, right? I bought it at a good price, and I think I will use it well. I made one in a different shape. The shape of the rice is a little distorted, so I need to make it round. I'm going to make the shape round. It's okay if it doesn't look pretty, but if possible, I'll make the rice look pretty. I put kimchi on top of the rice a little while ago, but now I'm going to put kimchi on the edge. I'll put kimchi on top or on the edge, or I'll make it with the same taste but a different shape. Please take a look and let me know in the comments which shape you like better. Right now I made rice and kimchi in two shapes, but if I had more time, I think I would have made it in a different shape. I made fresh rice in the morning, and I'm going to stir-fry anchovies later, so I have to make it in a hurry. I'm going to put bacon on rice. I placed the bacon so that the rice was not visible. I piled the eggs on top. I'll sprinkle seaweed and sesame seeds on top of the eggs as decoration. The jam is seasoned and tastes good. As long as you have jam, rice, kimchi, eggs, and bacon, you can eat it right away, right? You can just eat it with stir-fried kimchi and eggs without shaping it like I did. I sprinkled a lot of sesame seeds because it makes it more fragrant. I put a lot of it in kimchi, and now I put a lot of it in rice. Be delicious today, sesame. I'm going to fry the anchovies quickly. When frying anchovies, I will add soy sauce and oligosaccharide. You can also add minced garlic and green onions to the anchovies. If you add sugar, the anchovies will become hard. It's okay to make it by adding red pepper paste to anchovies. You can also make stewed anchovies by adding kwalagachu. I simply added sesame seeds. It's okay to make it like this. Since the anchovies are salty, I only added half a spoonful of soy sauce. It tastes better if you add a little minced garlic, but I didn't have enough time in the morning, so I just stir-fried it like this. I showed you the food I ate again today. You heard it in English, so if you want to listen in Korean, there is a separate video. Eat well today and stay strong. See you all again tomorrow.